Howdy, y'all. Um, Welcome back to another episode of Griddle. Lately, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I've noticed a running theme among the most popular YouTubers. And it could be about hammocking, which I love, motorcycle camping, gear reviews, all kinds of things, RV travel. There's running themes. First is the introduction, and that's where I go, hey y'all. So I got that down pat. Another thing is they make lists. These are very important things. So that's number 2. Important things. It's a list. So this is my list of important things. They're important. Number 3 is, hold on here. You have to have a scrolling title. I don't do fancy graphics, so it's your fancy scrolling title. You're welcome. Number 4, I think, is shifting viewpoints and scenes. Have I mentioned the shifting scenes? Number 5, I think. Number 5 would be B-roll. You'll notice a lot of the big-timey videographers and bloggers have shifts to unrelated scenes, or scenes maybe related to what they're talking about. They picked up stock footage off the internet or something. I don't have fancy graphics like that, and maybe one day I will, just to say yeah. Right now, since I don't have all that YouTube money, here's my B-roll. That's a picture of me and my mom. A couple of years ago. I look the same, don't I? Okay. That was number 5. Number 6 is music. A lot of them have background music and you can't hear them over it. Yeah, okay, that's irritating. Have I mentioned shifting scenes? Okay, I believe we're up to number 7. Number 7 is to remind everyone how important it is to click the like button. So be sure to click the like button. And in the meantime, I'll be making more quality content to keep you interested in coming back and watching. And see you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, I forgot one important thing, the drone shot. So number 8, the drone shot. Okay, now you can go. Bye.